Imagine a phone that breaks all the rules. This isn't just any smartphone, this is the Tesla Pi phone, a revolutionary device that changes everything you know about connectivity, power, and technology. Seamless global connectivity. Starlink integration. The Tesla Pi phone leverages the groundbreaking technology of Starlink, SpaceX's satellite internet network. Unmatched coverage. With Starlink, you gain access to internet service in remote locations where traditional cell networks fail. Picture yourself camping in the middle of a forest or sailing on a remote island, yet you can still stream your favorite shows, join video calls, or work on your latest project. High-speed internet, anywhere. The Pi phone offers broadband-level speeds, allowing you to upload videos, download large files, and engage in video conferencing without any lag. This means you can work from virtually anywhere on Earth, turning your surroundings into an office or creative studio. Always connected. Connectivity is at the heart of the Tesla Pi phone. No more dead zones. Forget about dropped calls or slow data. With the Tesla Pi phone, you can stay connected whether you're in the hustle and bustle of the city or the tranquility of nature. Global communication. Enjoy the freedom to communicate with loved ones, colleagues, or friends across the globe. The Pi phone ensures that no matter where you are, you can reach out and connect, bringing the world closer to you. The power of integration. Control your Tesla. The Tesla Pi phone is designed to be an essential part of the Tesla ecosystem, offering seamless interaction with your Tesla vehicle. Unlocking convenience. With just a tap on your Pi phone, you can unlock your Tesla and even adjust the climate control settings before you even step inside. Imagine getting into a car that's already at your ideal temperature. Summoning your car. In crowded parking lots, summon your Tesla right to your side with a simple command from your phone. No more searching for where you parked, your car comes to you. Home energy management. Beyond just your vehicle, the Pi phone gives you control over your home's energy usage. Monitor solar production. If you have Tesla solar panels, track your energy production and consumption in real time. The app allows you to see how much energy your solar system is generating and how much you're using, helping you make informed decisions about energy use. Energy savings. Set up alerts for when your solar panels are producing excess energy and schedule tasks around it, such as running the dishwasher or charging your electric vehicle, maximizing your energy savings. Solar-powered freedom. Sustainable charging. One of the most innovative features of the Tesla Pi phone is its solar charging capability. This unique technology allows your phone to harness sunlight to recharge itself. Convenience for adventurers. Imagine hiking through breathtaking landscapes or camping under a starlit sky without worrying about running out of battery. Just leave your phone in the sunlight and it charges automatically, giving you peace of mind as you explore the great outdoors. No more outlets needed. Gone are the days of frantically searching for a power outlet in cafes or airports. With the solar feature, you're less dependent on traditional power sources, making your life more flexible and adaptable to your adventures. Eco-friendly commitment. The Tesla Pi phone embodies a commitment to sustainability and environmental consciousness, powering the future. Solar charging isn't just about convenience, it's about making a statement. By using renewable energy to power your device, you contribute to reducing your carbon footprint and supporting a greener planet. A step towards sustainability. The design of the Pi phone reflects Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. It serves as a reminder that technology can coexist with nature, encouraging users to adopt more sustainable lifestyles. Ready for anything. Top performance. The Tesla Pi phone is not only smart, but also a powerhouse of technology. Equipped with cutting-edge processors, the Pi phone can handle demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're multitasking between apps, gaming, or editing high-definition videos, this phone is built to keep up with your busy lifestyle. For gamers, the Pi phone offers an unparalleled experience. With superior graphics and performance, you can play the latest games smoothly, without lag. Engage in augmented reality experiences that bring your games and apps to life. enhancing your interaction with both virtual and real-world elements. Speed without compromise. The Tesla Pi phone is optimized for speed and efficiency. Open apps in a flash and switch between them effortlessly. There's no waiting around. Everything operates at the speed of your thoughts. The phone's advanced architecture ensures you enjoy a seamless experience, making it a perfect tool for both work and play. Stream movies and music without interruption. Enjoy your favorite media in high quality with no buffering delays, making it perfect for entertainment on the go. Elegant, durable design. A sleek aesthetics. The Tesla Pi phone is not just a technological marvel, it's also a work of art, reflecting Tesla's commitment to design excellence. Craftsmanship, made from aerospace-grade materials, the phone is both durable and lightweight. Its design is a fusion of form and function, ensuring it not only looks good but stands the test of time. Edge-to-edge display. The stunning edge-to-edge display immerses you in vibrant colors and sharp details, enhancing every photo, video, and app you use. Whether you're watching a movie or scrolling through your photos, the display makes every visual experience a treat. Ergonomic design. Comfort is key in the design of the Pi phone. User-centric design. The ergonomic shape fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use for long periods. This thoughtful design ensures that whether you're texting, gaming, or browsing, the phone feels natural and intuitive. Lightweight yet robust. Despite its robust materials, the phone remains lightweight, allowing for easy one-handed use, making multitasking more convenient. Future-ready, powered by thought. Neuralink integration. Tesla is pioneering the integration of Neuralink technology into the Pi phone, opening doors to unimaginable possibilities. Imagine controlling your device just by thinking about it. This revolutionary feature could redefine the way we interact with technology, offering a seamless experience where you can send messages, browse the web, and manage your smart home without ever lifting a finger. This technology has the potential to change the game for individuals with disabilities, allowing them to engage with their devices and the world in new and empowering ways. With Neuralink, tasks that once took time and effort become instant and effortless, enhancing your productivity and freeing you to focus on what truly matters. A greener tomorrow. Sustainability focus. The Pi phone champions renewable energy and sustainability as core principles of its design and functionality. Reflecting Tesla's commitment, the Pi phone is a testament to Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. It not only offers innovative technology but also promotes eco-friendly practices, encouraging users to make choices that benefit the environment. Empowering sustainable choices. With its solar charging capabilities and energy management features, the Pi phone empowers users to lead a more sustainable lifestyle effortlessly, enabling them to make decisions that contribute to a healthier planet. A connected experience. Seamless integration. The Tesla Pi phone connects effortlessly with all your Tesla products and smart home devices, creating a cohesive ecosystem that enhances your daily life. Your smart home command center. Use your phone to control various aspects of your home, including lights, temperature, and security systems. The Pi phone allows you to manage your environment with ease, making it the central hub for your smart home. Immediate connectivity with Tesla. As soon as you approach your Tesla vehicle, the Pi phone connects automatically, enabling features like navigation and music to activate instantly. This integration creates a fluid experience, turning your phone into your personal assistant on the go. The future starts here. A new era of technology. The Tesla Pi phone represents a leap into the future, with features designed to change how we live, work, and connect. Not just a product launch. This is a glimpse into a world transformed by technology. The Pi phone isn't merely another smartphone, it's a gateway to limitless possibilities where innovation and sustainability work hand in hand to create a brighter future. A call to action. Are you ready to break free from the ordinary? Are you prepared to embrace a new way of living where technology empowers you to achieve more while caring for the planet? Stay tuned for updates and join the Tesla revolution. Follow us for the latest news on electric vehicles, space exploration, and groundbreaking innovations.